Hello friends, today we are going to see about selection sort and insertion sort. First we'll talk about selection sort. In selection sort it's nothing about a given number in which we select a number and we compare it with the rest of the elements in that array, and if the element is the lowest element then it will stay in its spot, and then the next element is checked. If the element is greater than the element when it is being compared, it will swap the position of the element that has been compared. So for example, I'll run this program. uh, Size of an array 5, and we have 6, 3, 7, 9, and so in here we have given 5 elements, and out of these 5 elements the first element 6 will be taken first, and the 6 will be compared with 3. So 3 is smaller than 6, so 3 will be the current lowest number, and then it will compare it with 7, and 7 is greater than 3, so it won't be the lowest number. Then again it compares with 9, and then again it compares with 2. So when 3 compares it with 2, 2 is smaller than 3. So what happens is the current lowest number will change to 2. So the 2 variable will now come to the 6th position because we started it from 6th, and the 6th position will come over here. And then we compare 3 with 7, then 7 with 9, and 9 with 6, which was previously over here. So out of this these three, the 3 is lowest number, so it will stay in its position, and the next number will be used for comparing. So 7 will be compared with 9, obviously 9 is greater. Then 7 will be compared with 6, in which 6 is smaller, so 6 will swap its position with 7. So 6 comes over here and 7 comes over here, and then 9 is compared with 7, and again it swapped, and at last we get the answer 2, 3, 6, 7 and 9. We'll see the program code now. In here first we ask the size of an array, then we initialize the array as integer array, and then we ask the data and we ask it in a for loop. Then we call the selection sort, and in which selection sort we use a for loop, and under the for loop we find the minimum I, and after finding minimum I, the minimum j is used, and then for switching the places we use a of I equal to a of min, and a of min is equal to temp. So at last it will show the selection sort for with the for loop, and it will show by a of I. Now we'll go to insertion sort. In insertion sort it's kind of different from selection sort because it compares itself with the next element. So we'll run the program first. So this is the number we have given. So the first number 5 will be compared with 8, and if it's smaller it will stay like that itself, and 8 will be compared with 4, so it will swap it itself because 4 is smaller than 8, so it will swap. So in the position of 4 8 will come, and in the position of 8 4 will come, and then 8 will be compared with 2, again it will swap itself. So 2 will come in the 3rd position and 8 will come in the 4th position, and 8 will compare with 7, so 7 will come in 4th position and 8 will come in 5th position. So again it keeps going like this until the smallest number, which was 2, which was in 3rd position, will go to the 1st position because it's the smallest number. It will keep checking itself until the condition is satisfied, where there cannot be any swapping left. So we'll see the program code. First we in the main function we ask the size, then the size is initialized, and then the data is asked and the data is stored, and then insertion sort is called, and under insertion sort we have a for loop under which we use a while loop, and while j is greater than or equal to 0, and a of j is greater than s, a of j plus 1 equal to a of j equal to j minus 1, and then the insertion sort is at last shown with a for loop, and